is called regular expression. The moment after hearing, I looked like that. Because in trolling videos, saying something and looking like that, no? Like that. So, like that people are. Now I will see what will be the definition of it. First today, I'll go for this. Let me start, my dear students, about this part. I will go for it. That's why I will ask you always, be perfect with your definitions so that everything will set right. If you add your own English to the subject, it will become what? Poison. Real. That's why when one day difficult, you learn it as it is. Now, let me talk. What is the regular expression purpose? The purpose of first I will tell you the small example. Example in the sense, not program. Enter your name. Enter your name. Name will contain what? Alphabets. Only alphabets. So I will enter something like Ramesh. Is it valid or invalid? Valid. Okay. Valid. Enter your name. Enter your name. Ramesh 123. Allowed or not? Come on, mom. Invalid. Invalid, that is called. Why invalid? So all digits are not allowed. Do you have any exception for that? You don't have exception for it. Do you have exception? For number, if you enter alphanumeric, there is an exception. What is that exception? Value error. Value error. For name, name will take what? STR data. In STR data, what data? Alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data. Spaces, true, anything included within double quote, that is string only. But our string is what? Pure alphabets must be there. That is for that is concerned. Whenever I enter the name value like this, your exception handling is not going to give you any exception. Right or not? Even if you want to develop any programmer defined exception, you need to write class, your class name of exception, colon, you need to write pass and all those things you need to write or not. That is the raise keyword you need to use, try and accept you need to write, a big story you need to start. Instead of doing that, in regular expression, I will design one formula. That formula I will make my Python compiler to understand when PVM is accepting the name, it will apply that name entered by the end user to the formula which is already given to the PVM. The value you are entering is compared with the formula which I gave to it. It will check, not matching with the digits. Immediately says what? Error. Not understanding. I told to PVM, see PVM, this is my formula. It should contain only what? Alphabets. That too strictly. First letter must be capital. Next to them is what? Smaller. If they enter wrong, I should not allow. In government agencies, these days, all apps, even capital letters, small letters also they are looking into. After seeing so many scams, they are going for what? Strictly about the case sensitive also. If I write initial first and initial last, earlier days it is okay. Nowadays they are looking for everything. How it is going to be matching with all those things? When somebody enters wrong, immediately it should suggest that it is invalid. I mean to say, rather than understanding that entire thing, if I enter Ramesh, it is valid. If I enter Ramesh 123, it should say invalid. Without stopping the program, I have to tell them that it is invalid. To tell that it is invalid, I will design one formula to it. That formula is checking this data. That formula checking this data is done by what? Regular expression. What is regular expression? After a few minutes, I will tell you. First of all, are you okay? Next, enter your marks. Enter your marks. Enter your marks. What is the marks format? 2 integer parts or 2 decimal parts. 99 point what? 45. This is called what? Valid. Enter your marks. 199.45. Invalid. Before the dot, how many digits? After the dot, how many digits? That's my format. That's my formula. The data which I am entering should fix that formula. Before the dot, how many digits? 2 digits. What digits? 0 to 9. One dot. After that, what digits? 0 to 9. 0 to 9, how many digits? 2 integer, 2 decimals. 3 integers, not allowed. 3 decimals, not allowed. Are you following? So, how do you evaluate that type of data? With the regular expressions. Are you able to follow? So, regular expressions also extension to the exception handling only. Exception handling purpose is what? Exception handling purpose is to build robust applications. By giving which messages? User-friendly error messages. But regular expressions also almost equal to that, and it provides some extra capabilities also. This is there in Java. This is there in C++. This is there even in C language also. C language also it is there. C++ also there. .NET also there. It is not a language topic, first of all. It is not a only Python topic. It is there everywhere else in the industry. If you studied one subject called automata theory, automata, one subject is there in computer science. If you read that, from there these regular expressions came. That topic I am explaining through Python subject. Because in real time, this is useful to you. That's why I'm saying separately to you. Without your asking, I'm explaining this. Because what is useful, I know that. You read that things very perfectly. As a Python developer, what do you need? I'm going to. So is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Next, enter your mobile number. This is invalid, I want to give it. Invalid, I want to give it. Next, why invalid? Only 2 integer part. Now I am giving ABC123.56. Valid or invalid? Because alphabets came. Enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Now I am entering the mobile number 9999. Next I am writing 8888. 8888. Valid or invalid? Valid. How many are there? 10. Now I am entering $1. $1. Allowed or not? Not allowed. What is the condition there? 10 digits required, and all of them are what? Numbers. All of them are numbers, and any one is there, it is not allowed. How do you evaluate that? By using regular expressions. And suppose some government is saying a number starts with a 91, then only you lift the call. Otherwise, don't lift the call. Some precautions they are giving or not? Or something like, I want to enter those numbers which starts with a 98. After that, what is going to be happening? Rest of the 8 digits can be anything else. First, you need to start with a number called what? 98. Rest of them, I will take anything. If 888, if you enter, I say invalid phone number. Are able to get it? So whatever the way you want to evaluate your expression, I can go for it. So in this case, I'm going to give you something like this entered. It is called invalid or not? It is called what? Invalid. Next I'm entering. Enter your email ID. Enter your email ID. What is the email ID? Come on, fast. At the rate of, so I'm writing something like this. At the rate left side. At the rate right side. .com, .org, .co.in. What is this? These are all called validations. Validations. Robustness I am providing, plus I am doing validating my data. How to do this? With a normal programming, I have to write some lines of code, which is difficult for the programmer or not. When you go for formulas, that makes my application strong. Are you able to follow? For doing this kind of things, we are supposed to write lot of formulas to learn it. That's why I'm writing first point. The purpose of what? Regular expressions. First of all, regular expressions is not a subject of any programming language. Regular expressions is one of the programming language independent topic, independent concept, students. First of all, it is not a concept of any language. I can write this concept in any language, provided there must be some libraries must present. If no library present, I will define my own programmer defined, I said. How to define it? We are going for it. The purpose of regular expressions in any language is to build to build what applications? Robust applications, and what? By validating the data, by validation of data. By what? Validation of data. By validation of data. This is the overall meaning I written. I will read out this sentence after completion of yesterday's formula. I will read out this line. You will say yes, or you will say. Not only we are building robust, we are building what? Data validation also doing. Enter the mobile number. Even if I enter 6 digits also, exception handling will not say anything. It is accepting just number. But regular expression says what? Whatever you are applying, it is checking internally one formula you will design. That formula is called what? Is applicable on the data what you are entering. Are you following me? Simple, ma. You are entering your PIN in your phone pay. Already some underlines are there or not? Whatever you are entering, that underlines are filled. After that, what you are entering, it is not going to be taken into consideration. Like that, already some fixation will be there in the point of what? Formulas. So very shortly we'll enter into that part and we'll see what is the purpose of regular expressions. To build robust applications and data validation can be done. Data validation. How the data validation? Just now I said, na? Names, alphabets, marks, how you design it, and email ID verification. I will go for such type of examples. Right. What are the applications of regular expressions? What are the applications of regular expressions? Online students, come to the point of it. Are you understanding these 2 lines? Now I am talking about applications of what? Regular expressions. Applications of regular expressions. Online students, are you there? So the first 2 lines are clear. Second line is supposed to be more important. Second line is going to be more important. So coming to the point of it, applications of regular expressions. First point I am going to give. Go to regular expressions. Regular expressions are used in language compilers development, and what? Interpreters development. Just look into that. Let me go for the Python environment. Go to the Python environment. Observe it. Python 3.10, just observe it. Tell me. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus. A plus, I will press enter key. What will happen? Error. That is called error. An error is an error only. I said already, tell me the type of error. Which error? Very good. Syntax error. Which error? How it knows it is a syntax error? Syntax error you are saying from so many days. How Python, this statement is internally first compiled by the compiler, Python compiler, line by line. That means when you take the plus symbol, symbolic notation plus, left side one object is required, right side one object is required. It will look into that first. What is missing here? Right side is missing. That means internally plus operator is having one fixed formula is there. One fixed formula is there. That fixed formula is applying on the expression what you are writing. Is it matching or not matching? That is nothing but compilers are full of formulas. Syntax related formulas are applied. When such a formula is not applicable, not satisfied with the fixed formula what they designed, you'll get what? So all the syntax errors are given by compilers. So compilers, how compiler know that? Because some formula is fixed or not, that formula is failing. That formula is evaluating on your given expression, which is one of the internal implementation of what? Regular expressions. Next, I hope you are following. Next, I am going to say next one. Regular expressions are used in universal protocols. Universal protocols. What is the protocol? Don't know. General knowledge is also not there. Set of rules. That is the universal definition. What are those rules? You don't know. Really don't know. Everybody say protocol means set of rules. What are the set of rules? Huh? HTTP rules you tell me. FTP rules you tell me. SMTP rules you tell me. POP rules you tell me. NMTP rules you tell me. These are all called what? Every protocol will have the rules. FTP related protocol, UDP related, TCP protocol. These are all networking related subject. I am telling to you overall meaning. Protocol is a set of rules which are used for exchanging the data between two devices. That is the universal protocol meaning. Our internet is using what? HTTP. HTTPS also it is using. What is the difference? Don't tell full form. Huh? So, HTTPS is there. HTTP is there. What is the difference? Adi security, yes, security under. Adi kaadu adi. So, you please type in the Google once, you Google it and try to find out. Of course, it is totally immaterial for me, but you need to have this knowledge, students. Knowledge is required. So, anyhow, you come to the point of it. When you go to composing the mail, when you compose the mail, you attached some data. After that, by mistake, you did not give destination email ID to whom you are sending, and you say send. What are the message is coming? Destination recipient value missing or not? That is nothing but what? When you are going to deliver the data, when you are going to transmit the data, protocol will check, is this, what is that? Option compulsory one is email ID is there or not? After that, subject is there or not? After that, content is there or not? After that, attachment is there or not? Is it the total size is able to transfer it once or not? It will check all the rules. Before transferring the rule of transmission, it will check all those details. That is known as what? Some formula is already fixed in the protocol. That formula is applicable on where? What we are composing it. So the predefined rules of protocols are designed with what? Regular expressions. Understand? Next, another one is regular expressions are used in language compilers. Regular expressions are used in electronic circuits designing, are used in electronics, circuitry designing. So, when we are doing physics experiment in intermediate or degree level, physics, when you go for your graduation level, you have some procedure is there. This you have to connect, something like that. If anything goes wrong, your experiment will not be successful. What that rules of that experiment is designed with? In the form of what? Some procedure is given. That procedure is nothing but what? Rules. When you come to electronics projects, the Philips, you take it. Siemens, you take it. Sonata, you take it. The cell which they are giving in watches, you take it. There is some cell related program is there. Are you following what I'm talking? In that, they have written some type of cell related code. That code is also containing what? Some rules and regulations are present. Those rules and regulations also fixed with what? Regular expressions. Anti-clockwise and clockwise directions, how they are fixing it. These are all called what? Fixed rules. They are designing it. Like that, they are operating it. So any device to operate, it has some procedure. They used to design that procedure. That procedure fixation before it's working is called what? Regular expression. Last and final, if you did not understand, you take a wall clock. Yes, a cell is over. Cell charging is over. What you kept in 3 months back. Today you are keeping one cell and you purchased it and you want to keep it. There is a plus and minus is written or not? Why? It is for the end user to make them to understand what is the fixing of that. That plus and minus is called what? It is a regular expression. What you are keeping that cell. And in a layman example, even in cell also plus and minus is there or not? If you fix as it is, it starts functioning. You keep it in reverse, it is not functioning. Suppose I am having this red color in microphone. If I remove it and if I change my cell in reverse order, it will not functioning it. Here plus minus is there, plus minus is there on the cell also. So what is that fixation of that? Regular expressions in turns. So that is one thing. Next I am going to write it. Regular expressions are used in pattern matching or used in pattern matching. This is an important, students. Pattern matching. Pattern matching. I am writing here pattern matching. For example, you take notepad, you take it. Notepad, you take it. What is the notepad here? I will take. Go for search. Search option is there or not? Say find. What I want to search it. What I want to search it. Come on, guys. Regular expression. Say what? Say first word find. Where it is going? Starting from. Next say find. Next coming next. Next find. Next. Next find. Next. Next. How many times? You did not count it. So I will give one PDF document for you. I will give one big file. I want to ask you how many times the word regular expression is there in my document. I am giving one 500 pages document, students. I want to find out that how many times the word Python is available. Will you go through the 500 pages document? Now I will write a simple logic and I will find that how many number of times the word Python is available. What it is called? Regular expression or not? Is it a pattern matching or not? This is comes under what? Pattern matching is also one of the implementation of regular expression. Next, it is used in regular expression are used in. Next, I can use it. Even in automobile sector also they are using it. Sensors level of designing also they are using it. Take some cars. When the fuel is coming to the required fill capacity, suppose a car is supposed to have 2 liters, before only it is giving some type of what? Some type of signal to the driving person, some indicator. On the dashboard it is giving some indicator, low fuel. How it knows? It has some formula is already fixed. It has the capacity to measure it. When it comes to below to that capacity, it gives some type of symbol on the dashboard so that you will understand that low fuel. Are you following me? And next is called when you are not wearing the belt, it is giving some type of sound and then showing that fasten the seat belt. Fasten the seat belt. What are all these dashboard signals are called? Already it is pre-programmed. So it depends on your activity. If it is not matching it, it is validating your things which you are sitting inside of it. So these are all called what? Regular expressions, important things. So regular expressions are reused in what? Automobile sector. Like that's nothing but automobile sectors. Automobile sectors. I can say automobile sectors. I can say even they change that, even they can change the code also. Automobiles sector. I'll write it. Automobile sectors, such as in cars, such as in something like electronic bikes. So nowadays, whatever is coming to that things, they are more and more using this type of electronics regular expressions, because anything is coming under the chip level coding, always they are using what? Regular expressions. Like that, if we go on using it, there are many areas these regular expressions are going to come across. So if Python is the library you are using it, what module you need to use? RE module to evaluate their formulas, what they are interested in. So how do you define this regular expression now? I'm going to give you definition of what? Regular expression. So by looking into this kind of things, one should understand that what is the regular expression definition, and after that we'll enter into the coding part. Of course, after entering into the little part of coding, we'll go for it. Let's start with, I'll take one small requirement here. Take one small requirement, direct requirement. I'm taking S is equal to, observe it, A, some K or 4 percentage, something like 3, and U and some small a, small w, capital P, capital K, and a capital L, and some ampersand symbol, at the rate, some T, and say O, and something like F, and something like at the say symbol called exclamation, like this I am having. And somebody is asking, find all uppercase alphabets. Find all uppercase alphabets. Find all lowercase alphabets. Find all digits. Find all special symbols. I want to get it. Not by writing lengthy of 5 lines or 6 lines code. I have to write with what? Just one line of code I want to write. I can write with normal Python coding also with 5 to 6 lines or 7 lines I can write it. But I want to do it in what? 1 or 2 lines I want to finish it off. How to do it? How to do it? Or otherwise I am having, for digital marketing purpose, I got some text data from somewhere else. They mentioned in that names of the people, mails of the people, and next is what? Mobile numbers are there. Some information about the customers, mobile numbers, email IDs are there. What I will do? That is available 1000 pages documentation I found from somewhere. What I want to find out from that documentation, I want to get all email IDs. I can't appoint somebody to go through it manually to find all email IDs or not. I can't appoint somebody to find out the mobile numbers. So I want to write a single line of code to find out the mail IDs. I want to find a single line of code to find the mobile numbers. I'll give the telecallers, they'll speak to them. Are you able to follow? How to get that mobile numbers and email IDs on spot from 5000 pages of documentation? Using what? Regular expression I can do it. Even normal Python coding, you cannot search for mail IDs in the entire 1000 pages. Regular expressions with files also I will take up. In files, regular expressions. Files already forget now? Forget now. So whatever you forget, I will retrieve it once again. If you remember. Now I am going to take. Tell me, what is my regular expression? Data is available. Come on, student. Data is available in the form of what for us? In 3 formats, data is available. Data is available in alphabets. Data is available in digits. Data is available in special symbols. In any language. That is a fixed. Now, a regular expression is one of the. I don't know how far you will get it. Once you understand this topic, I'll enter into that. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. First of all, I am going to give this word. Search pattern. First, search pattern. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. What is the search pattern? A search pattern is a combination of digits, alphabets, special symbols. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, comma, digits, and what? Special symbols. Okay. I understand that regular expression is one of the search pattern. First spell out once. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols, which is used to search in given data. which is used to search or match or found or find. I will write find in where given data which is used to search or match or find in given data for obtaining desired result. For obtaining desired result. Anything understood? Anything you understood? No Mohammedans. If you say no, I'll explain. Anything you understood? Come on. Understood. Right. What is search pattern? I want to search for total alphabets, capital alphabets. That is called what? Search pattern. How to prepare it, I will tell you. What is my requirement? I want to search for capital alphabets. What is that? That is my search pattern I am preparing, which is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, special symbol. Today, what is my combination? Only alphabets. Which alphabets? Capital alphabets, which is used to search or match or find in where? Given data. This is my given data and obtains what? Desired result. How many capital alphabets are there? I am going to find out. Today, I want to find out only digits. Regular expression is one of the. So I have to prepare the search pattern for digits. That is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, special symbol, which is used to search or match or find in where? From this given data, I want to search for what? Digits. All three members need to listen carefully. Be serious. మీరు లాస్ట్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏదో డిఫరెంట్ అయిపోతున్నారు మీరు ముగ్గురు తేడాగా ఉన్నారు కొద్దిగా. తేడాగా ఉంటే రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అప్లై చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు. రైట్? టేక్ కేర్. If regular expression comes, you will be somewhere. Take care. This is called what? Which is used or match or find in where? Given data for obtaining what result? So how many digits are there? How many special symbols are there? All these things are going to be done. Right? Play your son. No. Definition of regular expression, you tell me. No. Good. Good. No job. Play. చక్కగా నిలబడి ఎందుకు అది? Regular expression is a collection of regular expression is a search pattern. Say, which is a combination of చెప్పడం రావట్లేదా? కానీ ఇక్కడ ఉందా లేదా చెప్పడానికి రావడం? స్టాండ్ అప్. యూ స్టాండ్ అప్. చక్కగా నిలబడు. You use to search. Regular expression is a combination of, is a search pattern. కరెక్ట్ చెప్పావా? రైట్. ఓకే, పర్లేదు. నువ్వు బాగా చెప్పావు. ఆయన ఓకే. నువ్వే మళ్ళీ అడుగుతా నేను. మళ్ళీ వస్తా నీ దగ్గరికి. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and a special symbol, which is used to search or find or match the given data for obtaining desired result. Okay, right. One small example I want to say, and because why I am saying that example is for my favorite student. Of course, there is no rule that one source says immediately need to say. There is no such rule. Now, I want to give a small example. Don't feel otherwise. Have you seen swan? Swan. Swan, Swan. Swan, I'm not getting how to write it. Swan. Whether it is there like a swan or not, I don't know. Okay, నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. I am looking like that. Swan. It is having is a bowl. Is a bowl means what? It's a given data. What is there inside? Milk is there. Milk is there. Swan means what? Oh, Hamsa in Telugu. Right. When I keep the bowl of milk, what it will take? It will take what? Milk contains what? Water also there. What is the regular expression in the mind of swan? Only milk. Only it will take what? What is leaving? So what is the regular expression of swan? Milk. It search for what? And what it leaves? And obtains only milk. In the given data called milk, it obtains only milk and the rest of them will be left. Don't tell this example anywhere. Right. So what is the regular expression? Because once a definition is clear, programming you will get easily. Regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of digits, alphabets, and special symbol, which is used to search or match or find in given data for obtaining desired result. Desired result. Good. Are you following? When I go to shopping, in my mind already regular expression is there. So many items are there. I will search for only the items which I am interested. I will take out from the given data. I will find and match and then taking and come out and I will come out of it. Is it regular expression in my mind or not? Yes. Understand? Ready to tell? So coming to the point. Not now, after a few minutes I will come back. So, sir, tension, sir. Now only you ask, sir. Unable to maintain the tension. So when you are disturbing the class, I will keep tension in your mind. Right? Take care. If the tension is there, you will sit right properly. Otherwise, you will do something extra. Now I am going to say, what will be the, come on, serious now, everybody. Students in the online, did you understand this definition, my dear students? All of you, please tell me this definition. Is it understandable? Quickly. Right. Now I am going to enter into the small example. I will start. Shall I? Let's start. Small example, very small example. I am going to start with, to deal with these regular expressions, we are using which module? RE module. What is RE stands for? That is already God given knowledge. You will prepare your own definitions also. Okay, students. REG, regular expression 1.py. Dot what? Py. Careful, students. Given data is equal to GD is equal to, very, very powerful. I'm going to explain. Lot of content is there, student. I'll explain everything for you because this is my index. I'll send you this entire index. For that, I'm starting first level small example. Now I'm writing Python is an OOP language. Python, I'm writing next term. Python is also functional programming language. Functional programming language is also functional programming language. Find how many times Python is available. Find how many times the word Python is available. Did you understand my requirement first? It is my given data. This is only one string. You will ask a question. Sir, I have some 1000 lines are there. If 1000 lines are there, who will have the time to type 1000 lines? Somebody was already typed some 10 years back. They will put it in where? In file. I'll get that file. I will open the file. I'll read the file data. I'll pass to my regular expression. I'll get the data. Right or not? I'll tell you the files with regular expression also. I will tell you. Okay. Now I'm going to say my SP. What is SP? Search pattern. What is SP? What is my SP is equal to which word you want to search, ma? Python. Python. I'm not telling 2.x regular expression. 2.x regular expressions I am not taking. That is outdated. Outdated, 99 years old person that is. 3.x related library I am talking. Now, there is a function called what? Search. Spell out. Search. Which is present. Every function belongs to dash module. Every function belongs to what? What is the module name? RE. Spell out. RE dot search of search pattern comma given data. It takes two arguments. Search pattern, and in which place you want to search also it will be given. SP comma GD. SP comma GD. What is SP? Search pattern. Your formula. That formula is applicable on where? Given data. Okay. Now see how easy it is. Import what? RE. See students how simple it is. This search function apply the SP, that is a search pattern in the given data. If it is present, if my SP value present in GD, search function will search for first occurrence of SP in where? GD. First occurrence of SP in GD, and it will come out and it will record its matching details. Matching details. That is nothing but result I am saying. Search function takes, first let me tell you, search is used for searching the search pattern in the given data for first match occurrence only. It never looks for second and subsequent matches. I will tell that in the class whether Ramesh is there or not. When I find Ramesh, yes, Ramesh is found, I will say. I will not look for second and third kind of Ramesh. I never look into it. I will look for only first match. That is known as which function? Search. I will apply one function called what? Find all I will apply. What is the function name? Find all. What is the difference between find all? Name itself says find all, search for search pattern in the given data for all the matches. So Python found how many times? 2 times. 2 times it is found that the 2 matches details will be put it into the left side variable in the form of list. In the form of list. All the matches it will bring. All the matches it will bring. It will put it into where? Left side list. Are you following me? Let me print it first. Find all only. Let me use it. I'll print result. I will print. First I will print result. There is no hurry, students. Be perfect in this topic. Definitely will become perfect. There is no doubt in that. But only thing is some time is required to bring everything to you. Go to the place, into this place. Go to 6 p.m. I'll say regular expressions. Regular expressions. You take it. First program I am pasting here. Regular expression 1.py. Come to the command prompt, students. Here D colon. I'll say here. I say Python 6 p.m. Say here CD. Regular expression. Now see students. Py. See this. What is the type? List. Well, go to that. Now remove this type you remove. So find all will find for one match or all the matches. All the matches. Please execute. Now I am going to say, see Python. Find all looks for all Pythons. I will apply here. How many matches, my dear students? LEN of result. Is it not 2 matches? Right. Now I am going to say KVR I am writing. Do you have KVR matches there? What is the length of matches? Right. See that? 0. I will write here something like I am writing Java. What are the matches there? 0. I will write here something like what you know, Python. I am writing. One small p is there, one capital P is there. How many matches? 1 match only. Now coming to the point back. Now exact match. Now it is called what? 2. Is find all is clear? Find all is used for what? So many things I'll tell you. Don't excite. Find all function is used for searching for the search pattern in the given data completely, and it retrieve all the matches value in the form of list. I can print the matches value and a number of occurrences also I can find. Well, that is about which function? Find all. What function it is? Find all function. Okay. Find all function, you got it. Find all function, you got it. So find all gets returns what value? List. If no matches found, list is empty. If matches found, list is non-empty. Very good. Coming to next what? 2. 2. But my requirement today is what? Find all is okay. But I want to find out at which index, which starting index Python is available. Another Python is present in which starting index. I want to know the location of that matched value also. Location of the matched value also. Which location? Starting index, ending index. That span also I want. Span. Span means 0 is Python started, 5 ending. That span. 0 is the start, 5 is the end. I want that span of starting index and ending index also. Are you following? Now, I am using which function? Search function I am using. The search function is used for searching the given data, searching the search pattern in the given data until first match occurrence only. It never looks for second and subsequent matches. It is used for to search whether the value found or not. It never look for multiple matches. First one match is there, it stops and gives what? Match 3 details. Matched value, starting index, ending index. Those 3 details are called what? Those 3 details are stored in left side variable. Those 3 details are stored in left side variable. That variable is an object of type match class. Which class? Match class. Match class is present in RE module. RE module. Following? Thinking somewhere. Russia-Ukraine war is going on. How to stop it? Correct? Thinking somewhere. Correct? Right. Come on. Where? India? US? Listen, student. So you are just like a kids you are. Now coming to the point of it. Print result here. Print result. What I am going to write it? Type of result. Type of result. Now you execute it. What is the type of result? Now search function is doing. It searches for first occurrence. It searches for first occurrence. 6 p.m. regular expressions. So here regular expressions. I'll say here 2. Search function. Search for SP, Python in GD. First match only. What is the data which is coming here? One is called what? Python is coming. It found at 0 index and ends with what? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means what? End index plus 1. 0 to 5 data is there. 5 plus 1, 6. Are you following? So that is going to be coming. What is 0? Starting index. What is 6? End index plus 1. End is actually 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. What is Python? Matched value. These 3 things are present into where? Result. Result is an object of what? Result is an object of what? RE dot match class. RE dot what class? Match class. Please look into that. Execute. What is? Okay. 2 py regular expression 2.py RE dot match class. Now I will print that data. I will print. See, point to point I am explaining. Point to point. Result. I will print a result. See what is coming. Python 0, 6 will come. 6 will come. And it is coming in different format. Come on. What is this object? Span. Span. Okay. 0. What is 0? Starting index. What is the end index? 5 plus 1. What is the matched value? Python. Now I want to print what value? If I print like that, end user will not understand. What is this 0? Start index. What is this 6? What is this Python? Matched value. To print the starting index in match object, there is a function called what? Start. What is the function name? Start. Start function. What to print the end index? What is the function name? End. To print the matched value, there is a function called what? Group. These are the three functions present in where? Match class. Which class? Match class. Match class is a part of which module? RE module. And don't call RE dot, RE dot, RE dot. That is the wrong answer. So these things I will print it. Are you following? Good. Next, I am writing here KVR. KVR I am writing. Tell me, is KVR present into given data? That time search will give you nothing. Nothing it will give you. Nothing is the value of what in Python? None. So it returns either match object or it gives you what? None. None indicates no value present. No value present. See the result of it. See the result of it. What is printed? Which is of what type? So how do you know that value found or not? How do you know that whether the value matched or not? In operating system, when you go for a search button, is there search option is there or not? Even I forget to write that. Regular expressions are used in OS development also. When I am searching by going to the control panel, I am typing some name. That name is not there. It is not going to show any results. No results found you will get or not? No results found means which type? None. None. It is searching in my entire system. No data present. It is going to give you what? None. If it is found, it will give you all the names. That is what is the option. Find all, they used it. Did you understand this approach? Only first match is giving. That is called which approach? Search. Are you following, students? Come on now. I am using. So tell me finally, my conclusion is very simple. Result is of which type? Either match type or none type. Can I write one thing? If it is none, search is successful or unsuccessful? That means value not found. Can I write one condition, students? Tell me, students, if result not equal to none, result is equal to none. You want to write equal to? Right. Equal to none. What is that? Search is unsuccessful. 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 Given value not found. I will write SP value. SP value. That is nothing but like this. I will write it. Value does not exist. I will say does not exist. Dot format of what? SP. Dot format of SP. Else I say what? Search is, tell me, successful. Search is what? Successful. Search is successful. How do you print the data? How do you print the data? Starting index. Come on. Starting index is equal to. Starting index is equal to. Index is equal to. Dot format of. Start is a function now. Start function present in where? Match object. When it is coming to else part, what is the result type? Match type only. You will write what here? Result dot start. Result is which type? Match type. When it comes to which type? Else. When it is satisfying here, what is the result type? None type. None type means I am writing unsuccessful only. Okay. Start. Next is what? Print of what index? End index is equal to dot format of double quotes. I will write it. Double quotes. I will write it. Come on, students. Result dot end of. Result dot end of. Print of. What is the next? Matched value is equal to. Matched value is equal to. Dot format of. Matched value is equal to. dot format of what? Result dot what? Group of. Okay, group of. Line number 11. Okay, one more bracket. Okay. Group. Are you following me? If you want, you can print the type also, student. Print type of result. In the case of true, comma what? Type of what? Result. You can write the same word in this place also. Here also you can write it. It is comes under which type? Beginning only I am writing. What is the answer now? Class, which type? None type. Here I am getting into which type? Here I am writing into which type? RE dot match. RE dot match. Students in the online, I hope you are following me. Go to the place. Online students. Right, Ma. Shoaib Khan. Once again, I'll show you that. Let us follow. Span. Python is a, I wrote it. What is the sentence I wrote? Python is an object-oriented programming. What is the index of P? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. What is the starting of the matched value? 0. What is the ending of this? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Starting value, ending value. Matched value is what? Python. What is the type of it? Match type. Shoaib Khan. I hope you are understanding. Now run this code. Beautiful. What is this? Searches. KVR value does not. What is the type? None type. Go to the next. Go to the next. I am writing what here? Python. Python. Go to the part of it. Execute. See the answer. Come on. What is the type? RE dot match. Searches. Successful. Come on. Starting index 0. Ending index 6. Matched value. Python. Next. One more question. Be careful. I am asking one dangerous question. Lang. Lang. How many times? One time. One time. Come on. Here I am writing. What is that? Execute. What is coming? 17th. And then what? 21. What is the 17? Please count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You did not count. You just followed me. 17. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. That is an answer came. 20. 21 minus 17, 4 letters. Lang is 4 letters. Matching. Are you following me? Next. Are you able to follow, students? Yes. So can I move forward? Right. Now I will ask one dangerous question. Definitely will answer wrong. I know that. An. Present or not? Do you have an? An is there or not? Careful. Careful. An is there or not? Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Huh? Where is it? Huh? Okay. 10. 10. Okay, good. 10. That is nothing but what? Answer is what? 10 and 12. 10 and? Very good. So did you understand this? So I am writing here what? Python. I am writing. So if I don't write, this is called what type? Either none type is coming or start end group are present in what? RE module match class. Match class. Tell me. With the find all, very important, very important. With the find all, we are getting what? With the find all, I am printing. Come on, for value in where? Result. Value in where? Print of what? Backslash T and a dot format of what? Come on. Val. Format of val. Ajit Gupta. See, I'm starting with a basic type. I will reach to you. I will reach to you, Ajit Gupta. Ajit name. Gupta, no, Ajit Gupta. Ajit. So I will come to that. Don't worry about it. Now I am going to say values are printed. Execute that. Execute that. What is this now? Expression 1 you say. expression 1 you say, Python is printed. What are the number of occurrences are coming? If you want NOC is equal to 0, you just say what? NOC is equal to NOC plus 1 you say. I can say here, else part, I'll say print of here, found, I say times, dot format of what? SP comma NOC times, NOC times. I write it. Okay, I'll write it. I'll write it, students. Don't worry. I'll write it. NOC. I will write it. NOC. Now you run this code. Now see, Python found 2 times. Right. Now I will write the word called what? An. Tell me. Come on. How many times? 1 time. You are completely wrong. So, 1 time is wrong. I said completely. You are out of stance. It is wrong answer. Now see, an lang an, another an is there. Another an is there. Right? Is also. Now, how many times? Right, 3 times. That's why I need to tell one story for you. So many days onwards I want to tell you, but I am forgetting daily. So, no, I want to tell you subject. An is from how many times? 3 times. Now last and final I am going to say ant. Come on, found or not found? Right. So not found. And found how many times? 0 times. Good. And don't try to apply your own. Sorry, here an is there, an is there. Not like that. This is my word which I want to search here. This is my word I want to search here. Are you able to follow? Right. Ultimately, try to get it one conclusion. Find all function gives you the result here. Here, result is of what type? Is of type class what? List. It gives only number of occurrences. But what is not coming? Matched values, occurrences, indexes are not coming. Only matched values are coming. I found the people where they found. Ramesh is found in 10 places. But I want what? In which addresses they found also I want. Who is not giving that? Find all. Who is giving? But search is giving what? Only first person index only giving. Rest of the subsequent matches indexes are not given. To find out multiple matches indexes, I will go for one more function called find iter. Find iter. That is called find iteratively. Iteratively means what? Repeatedly until all matches are coming. That will give you all matches. That will give you all indexes also will come. That is my next example. I will go to this. I'll go to this. I'll come out of that. You please watch it. See, students, carefully watch it. It is my given data. Remove first of all. I am writing find iter. Very important. Very important. I am getting result. Match result. MAT antanu. MAT. Match. Match result. MAR. MATR. Edoti. MATR. And don't think sir result is there, sir changed it like that. MATR. Matched result. Right? Matched RES. I'll take it. What is the type of MATRES? Now I am telling. MAT find ITR. I am writing one table, my dear student. Carefully follow. I'll write one table. Everybody must follow it. Now, find ITR is preparing one table internally. What is that? It is going to contain 3 columns. Starting index, end index, and then matched value. Matched value, MV. Find ITR takes SP, start searching in GD. Is my Python present in this Python? Yes. What is the starting index? 0. What is the ending index? What is my value found in the first searching? Python. Okay, very good. Find ITR will go to is not matching and not matching. OOP not matching. 17, 18, 19, 20. Already we searched it. 21 and then what? 22. What is this now I am writing? 22 and then what? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. What is this now? Another Python is present. Another Python is present. Do you have another matchings here? This entire details are going to be preparing the table. This is pointed by what? MATRES. MATRES is pointing. So matched result. What is MATRES? Is not a match object. Find all is returning a list. Search function gives an object of match. Find ITR is list only I am saying. Find all returns list. Search function returns match. Find ITER returns an object of callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. You have to remember so many things. Callable underscore iterator. Spell out. Yes. So MATRES is not an object of match object. It is an object of callable underscore iterator. I will print and I'll show you. Okay. From the callable underscore iterator, get the first match, get the second match, third match, fourth match, fifth match. Each match of callable iterator is an object of match. Each entry of callable iterator is an object of match. Okay, not following, no problem. For, come to the coding. For, what is that? One row. You are getting one row or not? For one row. For one row. In where? Matched result. MATRES. What is this row contains? This row contains 0, 6, Python. Is it called a span or not? Span or matched value? Span and matched value is an object of which type? Match type. So row is which type? Match type. MATRES is which type? Callable underscore iterator type. Yes or no? Yes. I will print print of what it is printed. A row I will print. It will print what? Match type, span of 0, 6. Matched value Python will print. To print 0 and 6 separately, instead of writing that, you can write what? Row dot start, row dot end, row dot group. It will print that value. Are you okay? Online students, did you understand, my dear students? Type of MATRES is equal to type of MATRES. Come on, not getting response quickly. Are you following? Online students. Busy with snacks or what? Are you there, students? Right? Right. So taking lot of time. Okay, students. So maybe network slow. Okay, now I got it. Come to that. Print this. What is the type of MATRES? So Melrose, we are here surviving. Okay. So and surviving to understand. Okay. What is the MATRES? Callable underscore what? Iterator. So this is called what function? Find ITER. Find ITER. You just say, save this code, done, execute it, py, say that callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. It is not an I'll continue my class. So it is not a class of RE module. It is a general object which can hold this type of matching details. come to the point of it. Now I will go for retrieving the data. How do you retrieve the data? Here, mat.res is an object of what? Callable underscore iterator. Okay, come on now. For row in what? Mat.res. Please see, students, type of row. How many rows matched? 2 rows matched. Each row is which type? Match type only. Re.match. Each matched value is called match. Each matched row is called match object. From the match object, what I will find? Start, end, match. So I'll get it. Come on now. I'll get it. Only row you print it. It will print that value here. See that. What is that now? 0 to 6 1 Python. 22 28 1 Python is there. You print that. Here I will write it. Come on. Here I am writing double quotes. So here I will write start index colon and what is this now? End index colon and value is equal to colon dot format of row dot start row dot end row dot what? End next comma row dot group row dot what? Group. Say close. Okay. Now here I will say print of I say this 50. I say this star 50. Now I'm writing here. So here I'm writing 50. Just only printing that. Right. So starting index, ending index, value, end index, starting index. Am I getting or not? You change it to what? You write LANG you see. What is LANG? Is it coming all the matchings or not? Now I will write with a word called what? And I will write it. And I will write it. And is present in where? 10 to 12 one and is there. 18 to 21 and is there. 47 to 49 one and is there. Are you following me? Yes. Now I will write it. What did you understand with this concept now? Say Python is there, for example, small p you write it. Nothing is there. Now I am writing what? Python. Here I want to find the number of occurrences. My dear student, NOC is equal to what? 0. When you are printing the rows, you say NOC is equal to NOC plus 1. Here you write it. Print of. So found. How many times? Right. Times. Dot format of what? SP comma what? NOC. Right. Print it. See that. Python found how many times? 2 times. Python found 2 times. Are you following? Python found 2 times. You say here. You say some name called what? And you say. And you say this. And found 3 times. You write something. Python capital you write it. Now you say Python found 0 times. Are you following me? So what did you understand with this concept? How many functions are there in RE module now? How many functions are there RE module originally? Search, find all, find ITER. Find ITER returns all matches with a span. Starting index, end index plus 1. Search will give you only first match with a span. Find all will give you only all matches, not giving any span, not giving any indexes. Did you understand? Right. In this, we have seen one class object also. What is that object? Match object. Match object contains start function, end function, value function. Clear? Now I will show you. For a moment of it, I am showing one small documentation for you. Functions I just now given to you. Functions I gave to you just now. I want to give you a small meaning here. What is that regular expressions I'll give? A small notes I will give you. Say that introduction to regular expressions and RE module I will open it. So see this now. Start all of you carefully and read out. Predefined functions in which module? RE module contains the following essential functions. First one, find ITR. Come on, variable name is equal to RE dot find ITER search pattern comma given data. Here variable name is an object of type class callable underscore iterator. This function is used for searching search pattern in given data iteratively and returns table of entries which contains a starting index, ending index, and matched value based on search pattern. Understood? This is called which function? Find ITER. Coming to next what? Group. Group I will go for it. Before the group, I will tell you one more function. Don't worry about it. Come to what? Search. Come on, fifth function I am saying. Variable name is equal to RE dot search of search pattern comma given data. Here variable name is an object of class match or class none type. None type in the case of not matching at all. Match is in the case of first match. Come on, this function is used for searching the search pattern in given data for first occurrence match only, but not for other occurrences or other matches. If the search pattern found in given data, then it returns an object of match class. It returns an object of what class? Match class. Match class. Present returns an object of match class, which contains matched value, start and end index values, and it indicates search is successful. If the search pattern not found in given data, then it returns a none, which is a type of none type, and it indicates search is unsuccessful. Understood? As find all you come. Find all you come. Start find all. Syntax. Variable name is equal to RE dot find all search pattern comma given data. Variable name is an object of type list. List now. Yes, read out the functionality. This function is used for search pattern in entire given data and find all occurrences or all matches, and it returns matched values in the form of an object of list, but not returning start and end index values. Okay, I will explain the sub function, which is easy. That is called a substitute function. I'll explain. At present, don't worry. Go to next what? Group. Group. Second function I am going after find ITR. This function is used for obtaining the matched value. Matched value. Matched value. Matched value. That's all. This function present in which class? Match class of RE module. Class name I am saying. What is that? Match object dot group. What is that? Variable name. Now start. This function is used for obtaining the starting index of matched value. This function present in match class of RE module. Same. Next, end. This function is used for obtaining end index plus 1 of matched value. Also present in match class. Match object dot end of variable name. Functions are clear? What are the functions? You tell me quickly. Search of, find all of, find ITER of, start of, end of, group of. Easy. What classes you find in this searching? RE dot match, callable underscore iterator. Everything you have to speak with libraries only. Callable underscore iterator. This is about what? Functionality of this. So, Hari is asking, this Python programming note sending PDF or not, sir? He is asking. Daily sending or not? One student today prepared one beautiful notes. He really, today only he sent, sir, please go through once for my satisfaction. KVR Python 7 a.m. 21 February. Maybe he prepared 2 days back. See how beautifully he prepared it. So Python by so and so 2023 KVR Python 7 a.m. batch. See, brain is how he is working. So coming to that, right? See that table of contents. History of Python, 1.x, features of Python. Next is called literals and int, float, etc. Complex, sequence, category, data type. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, typecasting techniques. Float, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Bool of case 1, case 2. Mutability, immutability. Sequence category. STR part 1. Types of strings. Operations on string data. Indexing, slicing. Then string part 2. All functions. Byte array. Range. List category data type. All the functions explanation. Next is called a tuple. Like that. He is writing everything. This is the data. So he prepared it. Up to what? Functions only. Up to functions, how much is prepared? 234 pages are there. Everything point to point is writing. Point to point is writing. Send it up. So only one thing you may give to some Xerox people. That is a problem. So anyhow, I will look into that. This is one notes. Okay. This is only up to functions only. Morning 7 a.m. batch student is. So when everything is over, it will become 1000 pages. So you read well, and you keep the notes with you. Don't pass it to somebody else. If you give it, they are selling it. Already our notes is running out of it. They are sending that book for 350, 370 like that. So why unnecessarily you want to buy that? You are giving the notes perfectly here. Read like that, prepare like that. Right. And now, right, Ma, Shoaib Khan. Okay, Saurav Kumar. Right, Farooq. Now see, everybody is asking. Right. So, Satish. Right. Fine. So now I will go for what? This I will stop the class. Tomorrow I will come back. See this now. Yes, my number I will give you, students. I said today I will give my number. My number I am giving to all the students. My number 9849455293. It's my WhatsApp number as well as this. Mail ID I am giving kvr1.java@gmail.com. About your NASCAM. About the NASCAM I am giving. So about the NASCAM I am giving, dear students. So I'm going to give you, write down the NASCAM related for certification purpose. 9 around 5 6s, 6 6 6, 5 6s, 9044. This is NASCAM related. Okay. So you are not able to write with pen also. Everything pick. Huh? Which one? Mail idea. KVR1.java. .com ade. Okay, student. Now